Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install the KuCoin Exchange app on your Mac in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space on your keyboard, type Safari, and then hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to KuCoin.com. That's the official KuCoin website. Always make sure you're on the correct site to protect your account and avoid fake links. Now look at the top of your screen and click on File in the menu bar. From the drop-down, choose Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. You can rename it if you'd like, but I'll leave it as KuCoin. Click Add, and you'll see the KuCoin icon appear in your dock. Here's the cool part. When you click the KuCoin icon, it opens in a standalone app-like window, completely separate from Safari. You can close Safari, and KuCoin will stay open and function, just like a native Mac application. And that's it. You now have KuCoin Exchange installed on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech and crypto installation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.